Kenya kwa ihinda iraya makoretwo magiikara na hagu ya murimu wa coronavirus hahwirira kireirio makiria ni gukinya kwa andu 239 guku bururi-ini kuma bururi-ini wa China ari umwe wa mabururi maria magumeirwo na njira nene ni murimu uyu. Arita njira ya kuhora horeria hahuino thirikari kuhitukira ministry ya ugima wa mwiri ni anireire imwe ya mitaratara iria marikitie kwarira ni gutigira ati murimu uyu ndunatherema guku bururi-ini. Mitaratara iria gukorwo igikirirwo na njira nene cigiriro-ini itiganite ta iharo-ini cia ndege.
The ministry continues to maintain the heightened surveillance system at all points of entry, health facilities and communities across the country. So far, the ministry, through its surveillance system, has been able to pick 17 alerts, all which tested negative for the disease.
We will continue to put these measures and to strengthen these measures that we have put in place.
Kurigana na mutafariri wa mihango thiini wa ministry ya ugima wa mwiri Rashid Aman, thibitari wa Kenyatta udumwe na thibitari wa Bagathi ni mwe cia thibitari iria gukorwo ikihuthika na njira nene mihango-ini ya kwitana na murimu uyu guku akianirira ni marikitie kuona ceceni igiri guku bururi-ini iria rihuthikagwo ceki-ini wa murimu uyu.
We have an isolation facility at the Kenyatta National Hospital which continues to be used to isolate suspected cases which meet the case definition criteria for further investigation. The government has also taken over a new ward with a bed capacity of 120 at Magathi District Hospital to further increase our isolation capacity.
Nuna thegia wa ciraniro ici ciothe kuma kuri thirikari a Kenya matire maraiganira kuno ugwati wa murimu uyu ni munene guku makiwa ikinya ria andu a mabururi maria mahutitio ni murimu uyu gwitikirio maingire guku bururi-ini uguo no undu umwe na thirikari kumanikira mogwati ma murimu uyu.
With respect to travelers who are coming in from China, even if you stop flights coming in from China, flights come in and connect at different places. We have Ethiopian Airlines, we have Emirates, we have Qatar, which are active in that region in general, and they bring in passengers through transit. So it is not a solution to solve the problem now. A point might reach where that may be necessary.
Umuthi Mukenya umwe ni anyitikanire na murimu uyu wa wabici-ini cia baruthi wa Vienna bururi-ini wa Austria riri ikinya ria thirikari ria kuria ria maraumagara mabururi-ini mangi na gucoka guku bururi-ini metikire kuigaga keheri-ini kwa ihinda ria thiku 14 rikiambatiria rugari.
Advises members of the public to remain vigilant as the risk is still high and this is a rapidly evolving situation, and to continue taking the necessary precautionary measures by maintaining basic hand and respiratory hygiene.
Gukinyeria riu mabururi 38 nimo mahutitio na njira nene ni murimu uyu, andu 2,800 magite mioyo yao na andu 81,000 thi yothe nio marikitie kunyitwo ni murimu uyu uriri thirikari ikinyereirie gutira na mubango wothe wa gucokia Kenya 100 aria makwamite mwena wa Wuhan bururi-ini wa China na ruo ruhonge rwa UN rukiariria kwanira murimu uyu ta king'uki.